For my vegetables, I'll show you right quick what I have on the table. So here I have baby spinach. I have corn. We are using corn. I have cucumber. I have red onion. I have carrots. I have basil. And here is the chief of the occasion, mango. So I like to go in with strawberries. That's because I love strawberries a lot. I love grapes a lot. I'm a fruit person, okay? So I like fruit in my salad recipes. So these are all I'm going to be using, okay? You can skip grapes if you don't want grapes. You can skip strawberry if you don't want strawberry. You can skip basil if you don't want basil. Basil is herbs, and I love my herbs a lot. I'm going to be using mango, which is the chief of the occasion, mango salad. And then we have carrots. I have 1 carrot here. I'm going to be adding lemon and lime. Yeah, you need that for your salad. I always add that in case you don't know. Here's my red onion, guys. And here is my cucumber. And I have my corn. I like fresh items. Fresh items. I love it a lot for my food recipes. Okay, guys. So let's turn all of this into a delicious salad. Stay tuned, guys. So I've washed my spinach nicely with vinegar, salt, and water. So make sure you wash your spinach, your vegetables. Just wash your vegetables. And here's my lemon and lime. Here's my cucumber. My carrot is ready. So I have my strawberries and my grapes here. And here is my onion. Here is my cucumber nicely washed. And here is my carrot. And here are my lemon and lime. We're going to start mixing this salad. Very delicious and very quick to do. To my bowl, I've gone in with about 1 cup of corn. Here is my handful of basil. I'm going to chop it in. This is my herbs. All of these are very good for you. So chop your herbs in like so. You can use cilantro if you like. You can use basil. Yeah, these are very important things you must have in your salad, especially some kind of salad. I'm going to grate my carrots in. And here's our carrot. Next thing will be my onion. Onion is very good for you. Very good for you. So do you like to have onion in your salad? We love onions a lot. It helps your immune system. It's always good to have it in your salad. So here is our cucumber. I like to have everything in here. What do you like in cucumber? The skin and the seeds. Which part of the cucumber do you like, guys? I love cucumber. Everything in cucumber for me is awesome. I'm going to mix all of this together. How are you liking this? Look at that. So I can add my spinach and I mix everything in until everything is well incorporated. Look at that salad. Look at that salad, guys. We are done. So at this point, I just decorated with cucumbers, some carrots, some strawberries and grapes. Okay, I'm going to be eating it with some nuts. This is a very delicious recipe you want to try. If you love this mango salad, let me see your comments. Go in with your lemon. This is healthy. If you don't want to go in with lemon and lime, that's your choice, but it's more healthier. Go in with your lemons. mango salad. Here we have our delicious mango salad, guys. Do you love this recipe? Let me see your comments in the comment section. If you want to try this, go ahead and try this. You will really love that you did. Your family will love it. Your children will love it. If you want to go ahead and add some nuts, you can go ahead and add some nuts. Okay, Gucci's team, I hope you have loved this video. Please share to your friends and loved ones. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. Please do me a favor by liking this video, sharing it to your friends, family, and loved ones. If you have been watching till this moment, I want to say a very huge thank you. If you are new on this channel, I want to say a very huge thank you. And if you're one of my oldies, God bless you, God bless you. I am so grateful that you always come back to watch my videos. I truly appreciate your love and your support. Please do me well by giving this video a massive thumbs up, please. Share my videos to your friends and loved ones. And do this for your family, for weekend, for lunch, you know, for breakfast. Yeah, salad is the best thing you can eat for breakfast. You can just eat mango salad for breakfast. You can eat grapes salad for breakfast and take a cup of tea. When I mean tea, I mean like lemon tea, lime tea, you know, like Lipton tea. I don't mean like tea with chocolate. Well, if you care, you can still use tea with chocolate and just eat your salad. And that's a beautiful breakfast. And then you can use it for lunch. I'm going to be adding my nuts. You all know how I love nuts on my salad. I love nuts on my salad. Let me know if you're like me. I had extra mangoes in the house. I added more mangoes and it came out so good. You can use any dressing of your choice. It's just that I like ranch a lot. I have other choice of dressings, but I like ranch a lot. And it's one of our favorites in this house. This is yum, yum, yum. Have you ever tried mango salad? You guys, isn't this delicious? See how yum, yum, yum. This is so yummy, guys. Try this. Look at that. Try this. This is so good, so healthy. Thank you all so much, and God bless you mightily. Gucci's team, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful.